Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to say something really before, So today you guys probably saw my title, the scariest thing that happened. It really did. So today we were driving back, me and my mom were driving back, and then some crazy thing happened, you guys. So pretend this is our car right here. So yeah, just forget this part, you guys. This is just what I have. So right now we were just driving along the way until one truck just came. It came by like, meow. So he stopped by something, and then he just stopped, and then he saw something, and then whatever it was came up to it, and then boom, right there. I was in. So you see, guys, my mom was in the driver's seat. My mom was in the driver's seat. I was in the passenger seat. And then we were like, oh my god. And it mostly hit me, you guys. So it was like so scary. I almost cried, you guys. That was the horrifying thing I saw, you guys. It really freaked me out. So yeah, guys, it's been craziness, you guys. It's been crazy. Luckily, it didn't actually hit the glass right here, you guys. You guys can see it actually hit the glass right here, and then it probably broke, you guys. It's really scary, you guys. I mean, it's just so scary, man. So now we have to mix. Our car was in the Mercedes-Benz SL. I think it was like $450, I think. But yeah, we had our Mercedes-Benz. Now we have to pay like $4,500 for this. And then yeah, you guys, it's really been creepy, you guys. Like seriously, guys, I almost cried. Like, look, at least that was a close call, you know. It went crazy, you guys. It went crazy. Very crazy. I couldn't stand it. So, here's the crashes that happen, you guys. So usually right in the middle of the square, that would be the Mercedes-Benz logo here. And that piece actually broke off, you guys. And then probably in the rear facing part, you guys, that broke off too. Well, almost though. And then driving over here, we see here, this is the passenger seat. When we open it, it creaks, you guys. It seriously creaks. It was kind of scary, you guys. I couldn't get out because, you know, my mom won't let me yet. But anyways, it kind of just broke off. Nothing happened to the other side or the back, but something really did happen back here, you guys. It's really been scary. And yeah, guys. So, that was the only one, you guys. Two things to tell you guys. Sorry I made another video. I will soon, you guys. So yeah, the first thing that happened is, it's summer, you guys, and hopefully you guys have a great summer today, you guys. School's out, and we're ready for another grade for school. Also, it's been really sunny outside, you guys. It's like 100 degrees in here. Like 108 degrees. It's been really hot, you guys, so make sure you can feel cool, turn on the fan, but not too much. And then, number two, it's almost Father's Day, and Father's Day is coming this Sunday, in the 16th. So yeah, you guys. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, for hearing this too, you guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notifications bell if you haven't yet, if you subscribed, so you don't miss a thing. So thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys next time on 5 Boy Games. Peace out.